For the first time since the pandemic began, one local hospital group has lifted its mask mandates in some parts of its buildings.
The change is being made as the number of COVID cases is climbing again here in Florida. This graph shows the new cases the state has reported to the CDC over the past 30 days. The orange bar shows the number of cases each day, and the green line shows the trend with the average number of cases for the past 7 days. The state is now averaging nearly 3,300 new cases a day. Tarek is joining us with a look at where rules on masks have been relaxed. He also spoke with local medical professionals about how concerned they are about this new variant with the complicated name and number.
The BA2, but we're going to start with the good news first here. For hundreds of health professionals in all of 5 of Baptist hospitals who no longer have to wear masks in non-clinical areas like meeting rooms and administrative areas. Now, News4Jax also spoke with experts at UF Health today about the recent uptick in local cases and how this BA2 variant compares to Omicron and Delta. Just like the Omicron and Delta variants had in the past, the new BA2 variant has now become the most dominant COVID infection in all of Florida, according to doctors. The state's positivity rate is up to 6.1%, the highest it's been since February. We asked UF Health's Director of Infection and Prevention, Chad Nielsen, about the differences between Omicron, Delta, and the BA2.
What we know about BA2 is very similar to the Omicron, its original variant, that it's less severe for most individuals versus Delta or even the very first wave of COVID that we saw. Delta right now, the Delta variant, that was really our most catastrophic and most severe variant of COVID that we've seen throughout this pandemic. And Omicron in this BA2 variant just haven't lived up to that, thankfully.
Nielsen says there's still a risk that people can end up hospitalized by the BA2 variant, but that's most likely in individuals who are not vaccinated or who have underlying medical conditions. He says the BA2 variant is more contagious than its predecessors. What doctors can't quantify, however, is how many Floridians are testing positive at home.
We know that at-home testing has varied throughout the pandemic, but right now we don't capture as many people because testing sites are shut down, and at-home testing has kind of lagged in terms of people's attitudes towards it.
While the BA2 variant's symptoms are less severe, Nielsen warns the next mutation has the possibility of being more harmful. Like many in the state of Florida, he says local health officials also have COVID-19 fatigue, but adds vaccination is still the best protection.
We know that the masking mandates across the country are starting to either ebb this way or that. Here in the state of Florida, largely we have no mandates. And I think that's okay as long as people are taking those simple steps like getting vaccinated.
Now, News4Jax checked with UF Health, with St. Vincent's and Baptist Hospital and Wolfson, and all combined, all these hospitals, only 25 people now are currently hospitalized with COVID-19. Mary?